Hello, investors. This is the weekly update on Microstrategy. Today, we will see something different that we have seen before in this channel, and it's for the people or the investors that use M-NAV as the primary data for their investment. And it's based on this indicator that you see in the screen. I will explain the most important part, but I want to mention that yes, M-NAV is a very important data. However, you have to know that the price movement already includes the M-NAV inside of it because it's the people decision making in real time to buy or sell the stock accordingly to their decisions and the market and also in the MNAV. So, if we analyze the market without this indicator, we already are analyzing the MNAV inside of it. Remember, is the people behavior pattern and decision making on the market. However, let's analyze this indicator. Let's see. We're going to use continuously using this channel. So basically, we have two parts, the part above and the part below. The below one, you can see that we have a center line that is one MNAV, this white line. Below the line is below one MNAV, and above the line is above one MNAV. Very easy to understand. Okay. In addition to that, we have uh, on the upper screen, we have two bands, two gray bands, this upper one and this lower band. The lower band is 1x MNAV and the upper one is 5x MNAV. So the price move between those two and is the main ones that we will be using for this. If like in this area here, you can see that it's a circle that represents the best price to enter, like like here and here, because we are below one MNAV. Keep in mind that we already reached a point that could be a potential market bottom. This could be the bear market bottom, but we haven't pulled the trigger yet because we are expecting this, let's say, 50% decline to the $60 price target. And uh, let's see the last cycle, and the bottom we reach, let's say, 0.56 MNAV. This cycle, we haven't reached that number yet, but we clearly going below 1 MNAV. You can see it here. Now I will uh, hide the screen and let's refine this strategy only with the bands. The ultimate strategy to invest, to be inside and outside the market, is in areas like this one because it's the maximum profit that we have. So the extreme, like say here and here, are the extremes. Also, in the next all-time high, we can have a 5x MNAV, a very good price to sold, and here is below 1x NAV, a very good price to purchase. Okay, but again, we want to take advantage of this 50% decline. And if that not happen, we have our contingency plan, our backup plan, that is the matrix line on the daily, right? If it turns green, we purchase. That's the strategy. Any analysis in the middle of the price movement of the M-NAV in the upward trend is irrelevant because um, the main, uh, basically, the extremes are the ones that matter, the 5x M-NAV and below 1x M-NAV. The extremes are the ones that matter. Keep that in mind. And now, also, we already reached two conditions to buy. If I turn on the weekly matrix line, two conditions have met that could be a high purchase probability. The M-NAV is below 1 and the matrix line is red on the weekly. The matrix line is red and the M-NAV is below 1. But again, why we wait? Because we want to see if the market show us that 50% decline on our investment thesis. That's why we are waiting. If not, we wait to the matrix line on the daily to turn green and purchase, riding all the gains. So, again, for those proponents of the M-NAV analysis, you will be able to watch it on this channel. But again, the extremes are the ones that matter. The intermediate or and the middle, not so much. So this is something different. You can see this price movement. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I see you on the next one.